Stuck with Realtek Semiconductor Corp extension install error? I'll share fixes to resolve this issue. Stay tuned for a quick solution to keep your audio devices functioning smoothly. Hit the Windows key and click on Settings. Click on Windows Update, then select Check for Updates. If available, download and install. Hit the Windows key and click on Settings. Click on System and select Troubleshoot. Navigate to other troubleshooters. Click the Run option for the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Hit the Windows key, type Device Manager in the search bar, and click Open. Navigate to your Realtek driver, right-click, and select Properties. Switch to the Driver tab and select the Rollback driver option. Restart your PC. The drivers for your Realtek sound card can be downloaded directly from Realtek's website. The first step in installing a new driver is finding out what version of Windows you are running. Once you know which version of Windows you have installed on your computer, download the drivers from Realtek's website by selecting your operating system.